Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 20th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar definitely did drift down as expected. I was actually thinking what was going to happen was this going to end up being like a flat, because it looks like three ways down, three ways up, maybe five ways down. Looking at correlated dollar pairs, and especially the euro dollar, pound dollar, and Aussie dollar, it does kind of look like a 1, 2, 3, 4. So don't be surprised if it actually does drift up, maybe all the way up to the Fibonacci extension level up here to make a wave 5. We do have to remember that the trend is definitely up on basically every single higher time frame, so I think that we definitely need to primarily be looking for longs in an uptrend in the ways. Sometimes you will expect price to go down and make a wave C before it does end up going up, and a lot of the times it doesn't make a proper wave C and it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows. Trend is up on the higher time frames. I personally am definitely primarily only looking for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.